Yeah, it's really good to be back with one of my alma mater, Liverpool John Moores University, to be able to deliver the Roscoe Lecture. It's such a prestigious lecture at such a prestigious place. But I think it's really important that we continue to find ways to challenge some of the historic narrative that we've been given to believe, and really look at the nuance of history in a more contemporary light, because one of the things that has happened in the past is there's been a lot of propaganda around what we're given to believe happened in certain periods of time because it suited the narrative of the day. What we now need to do as historical researchers is be able to look at that in the cold light of day and report upon what we see without fear or favour, even if it means challenging some of the most embedded assumptions that we have about particular historical characters, and particular historical events. I call this lecture The Truth That Lies Behind Roscoe for a couple of reasons. One, the oxymoron of the truth that lies, and two, the idea of that which lies behind what we know. So what lies behind Roscoe, and that is in a sense a double entendre, not just what lies as in physically is there behind Roscoe, but the lies themselves that are told in terms of him being nothing but a good guy and having absolutely no assailable characteristics at all. And there are certain aspects of the historical context within which he existed which taints that picture. But we have to look at the nuance of it. It's not to negate all the good works that Roscoe did, all the the civic work that he did and the stuff that we benefit from today, but it's to acknowledge the complicity also that there was with some of the more nefarious kind of aspects of the historical period around slavery and colonialism that he was very much embroiled with. Although he disagreed with it, he was still inadvertently complicit in the sense that he was working with the guys who were doing that stuff, and they were his patrons.